Crack the code, reporting verbs with different patterns. Hello learners! Welcome back to our ongoing series on intermediate grammar. Today, we are going to dive into an exciting subtopic of reported speech, specifically, reporting affirmative statements. We'll be honing in on a particularly interesting aspect, reporting verbs with different patterns. So, gear up to decode this essential feature of English language. Before we venture into different patterns, let's first refresh our knowledge of reporting verbs. Reporting verbs are used when we want to tell someone about another person's words or actions. These verbs come in handy when we convert direct speech into indirect or reported speech. Some common examples are say, tell, ask, advise, suggest, promise, etc. We often assume that all reporting verbs follow the same pattern, but that's not true. Various reporting verbs follow different patterns after the verb. Some patterns are verb plus that. For instance, he said that he was tired. Verb plus to infinitive. For example, he agreed to help us. Verb plus object plus to infinitive. For example, she told me to go. Verb plus gerund, ing form. For example, they admitted stealing the money. Now that we've understood the basic patterns, let's look at some reporting verbs which can fit into more than one pattern, sometimes with a slight change in meaning. 1. Advise. 2. She advised that I should leave early. Verb plus that. 3. She advised me to leave early. Verb plus object plus to infinitive. 4. Agree. 5. He agreed that it was a good idea. Verb plus that. 6. He agreed to help us. Verb plus to infinitive. 7. Deny. 8. She denied that she was guilty. Verb plus that. 9. She denied stealing the wallet. Verb plus gerund. And there we have it. Understanding how different reporting verbs fit into different patterns can take your English grammar skills to the next level. Remember, the key to mastering these patterns is practice. Try using them in your daily conversations and writings, and soon they will become second nature. I hope this video has been helpful and that you're feeling a little more confident in tackling reported speech. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more in our Intermediate Grammar series. Happy learning!